What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're going to be taking a look at Vechain and its recent price action, along with some talk about news and fundamentals and with the price prediction for the short and the long term as well. Before we begin, we'd just like to say thank you so much to everyone for their continued support, the likes and subscribers, Patreon and YouTube members, and all your amazing comments and sharing. We appreciate you all so much at the channel, and we've been growing incredibly fast recently, so thank you to all of you. Our community has been growing amazingly well recently, and it's all down to you guys, so thank you so much. If you want to support the channel, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos, and turn on bell notifications as well. Also, if you're interested in even more info, we're offering Patreon and YouTube membership for coin calls and a more in-depth research of altcoins with massive potential. Higher tiers gain access to our personal portfolio and our 100x portfolio that we're currently constructing. All the links are in the description, and in any instance you can sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So as we can see, Vechain recently has been forming this bull flag, which we've been talking about for some time now. And very recently, in the past week or so, we did see a break to the upside here. And we did think that everything was going to go very well for Vechain from here, and that it was going to head up and test this all-time high of around 28 cents. And then could maybe come back, test this line of support and resistance here on this structure that we outlined, and then head to the upside again. But things haven't played out exactly like that. As is often the case with the cryptocurrency market, you can never quite predict what's about to happen. And recently, for most altcoins, we're noticing this sort of ranging motion that they've been forming, apart from a select few altcoins such as Ethereum, which seems to be taking most of the money right now. And also, meme coins seem to be sucking up a massive amount of market cap that would usually be rotating down into other cryptos, in our opinion. So we're seeing Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, BSC Shiba, all kinds of dog coins, and other coins which have dubious names, which I won't mention, but I'm sure you're aware of them if you're in the cryptocurrency space. And they seem to be sucking up a large amount of market cap. And what's happening is, from what we can tell, it's actually stunting the parabolic growth that we probably should be seeing from most altcoins now that they've double bottomed. As we can see from the recent market-wide correction here, there's quite clearly a double bottom here, as there is for most cryptos. And we were expecting Vechain to continue slowly to the upside, and then once it broke out of this bull flag, they would head up, retest, and then probably go further. But as we can see, things haven't worked out like that. And right now, Vechain has actually broke out of this new, slightly altered bull flag that we have basically recalculated. It's broken out the bull flag, but then it's struggled to make another higher high here. And it's actually come back down yesterday on the back of a market-wide sort of dip that we saw for a flash crash for Bitcoin and XRP. And it's led the whole market down again, basically to retest this level here for Vechain, which it seemed to do. It touched nicely off this line, and then it's been bouncing back. It also looks as though it's respecting this bull flag, as we can see here. So we're still bullish on Vechain. Obviously, no one wants to see the price action correcting to the downside so often in the bull market, but this kind of action is completely normal. And as we can see, Vechain has the potential to run up massively here. So this cooling off period might be exactly what Vechain needs before it can have another euphoric to run to the upside. Obviously, Rome wasn't built in a day, and even though the cryptocurrency market moves very fast, quite a lot of times there is a lot of days where there's a lot of sideways action. And patience is the key in these sorts of markets, so don't be discouraged when you see price action moving sideways. We seem to get a lot of comments on our videos saying, I swapped my whatever bag to this other bag because it was moving up and the bag that I was holding wasn't. And whilst we don't disagree with if the price action has been very disappointing for months and months on end, and you may want to swap to something that is definitely going to perform better. Quite often chasing the pump in markets is like the quickest way to get wrecked, because you'll sell a bag that's down, maybe even at a loss, buy a bag at its all-time high because it's pumping, and then you're basically buying the tops, selling the bottoms, which we can't. But basically, that's the worst thing that you possibly want to do, because you're just minimizing your capital every single time you do that. What people want to do, and this is not financial advice, of course, is be buying the bottoms, being patient and waiting for their cryptocurrencies to move up, taking profits and moving them into other coins, which they believe have potential that haven't actually gone up thousands of percent yet. Because as we're getting to the later stages of the bull market, it becomes more and more risky to buy tops because you never know when it's the final top. And we do think that the bull market will come to an end at some point this year. We do think there's a lot of price action still to go, and this recent downturn in the market is nothing to be scared of. As we know, if you've been in cryptocurrency, Mondays, usually there's a sell-off on Mondays for whatever reason. And we've noticed this quite a lot in the past few months. On Mondays, they do tend to be red days after the weekend, where there's usually some good upwards price action. So we're not scared about this whatsoever. As we can see, Vechain's respecting this 18 to 19 cent level very, very nicely. This bull flag is still being respected, and it seems likely to us that we're probably going to get a bounce here. Maybe it'll come back down, retest this line that we've drawn in as a trend line. But we can't imagine that Vechain isn't going to head to the upside soon. We still maintain that we think in the next month or so, Vechain will be 40 to 50, maybe even 60 cents. And then if it can get up to that $1 range in the next few months, maybe in 2 or 3 months time, before the parabola at the end of the bull run that we predict will most likely be happening August, September time, we do think that Vechain can hit $2 to $3. That's always been our price prediction, and we're standing by that. The recent price action for Vechain doesn't concern us. We do see that Vechain does seem to be heading still steadily to the upside, so there's no reason to suggest that the price action isn't going to head up massively in the future. So that's our update for Vechain today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're going to be offering a host of additional benefits, including coin calls, and the higher tiers gain one-to-one access to us personally, as well as a look at our personal portfolio, our daily research of cryptos with massive potential, and not to mention a 100x portfolio that we're currently constructing. So please take advantage of that there. Don't forget to get your 2 free stocks with Webull by depositing $100 using the link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money, so there's no reason not to do that. And they could be valued all the way up to $1,600. Also, make sure to hit the like button, as it helps the channel out so much. So if you're a fan of the channel, please hit the like button now. Currently, only around 10% of our viewers are subbed, and we'd love to see our community continue to grow, guys. So please just go ahead and hit that little subscribe button now. It takes like 2 seconds, and it will really help us out. So just tap that like and subscribe now. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. We're really hoping to grow our community there. You'll get all of our YouTube video updates for posting, technical analysis, and we're really hoping to grow the community there. We're going to start doing competitions soon, so please go ahead and sign up. It's completely free. There's loads of links in the description for affiliate stuff. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.